FactThursday. Today I am starting a new thing that happens every Thursday, and it's going to be called FactThursday, and I'm basically going to tell you facts on a certain subject. It's basically you can comment on my account on Instagram and this right now, so on this video you can comment below saying what subject you want next week. So this topic this week is space. There's a star out there 1,800 times bigger than our sun. I'm going to name 3 planets that are really weird outside our Milky Way. 1, there's a planet with a diamond core, and if even a bit of that core would go on Earth, the rest of our diamonds on Earth would be absolutely worthless. Number 2, this fact literally defines science completely, and scientists are just amazed by this, but they know how it happened. And there's a planet out there and it's solid ice, but is on fire. And that's caused by melting ice is so impact and close together that it's just solid, so that it just doesn't melt. Number 3, there is a planet out there that is so like Earth that, number 1, there could be life on it, and number 2, we could be moved there if the worst comes to worst here on Earth. And I think it's called Kepler 224b. Some scientists think that the Earth's core is actually hotter than our sun. Ouch. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on Earth. Black holes are things in space that basically suck up everything in its path, including light, and once it does that, it can't get back out. And people, or scientists, may think that there is a theory, and they think that there may be white holes, which basically do the opposite of black holes, and they push out things. Some scientists think that by the year 21,000, which is 2100, we may be able to travel through space at 134 million miles per hour. The nearest star to us is Alpha Centauri, which is 4.3 light years away, which is about a million miles away or something. And it's outside our Milky Way, so yeah, that's pretty far away. And look how many stars we can see, and they're further than that. Think stars are small? Well, most of them are actually bigger than the sun. Scientists think that Mars might become our new Earth in 1,000 years' time. The moon only took hundreds of years to form, and in millions and millions or even billions of years' time, galaxies, our galaxy and another galaxy, I can't really remember its name, will actually collide, and they'll just cross each other, and then we have a million more years for futuristic humans to watch this universe in the sky, and it's going to come again in another million's time and clash with us and probably make a massive galaxy. And yes, Earth may get thrown around a little bit, and by a little bit I mean a lot. Stars die, and if that star is really big, then it will cause a supernova or a supernovae. And if Alpha Centauri, as you'll know, is the closest star to us, dies, it will kill us all. But it is around about the same size as the sun, and the star has to be 10 times bigger than the sun to create a supernova, which would kill us. And Betelgeuse is the nearest big star that is 10 times bigger than the sun, closest to us, and that's far too far away anyway to do any damage to us. Supernovas occur every 200 or 300 years, but 10 stars actually die every second, like small stars, which are still pretty big. Scientists thought that the nearest black hole to us was 1,600 light years away from us, which NASA found. And if it is that close to us, which is actually really, really close since they are about 1,000 light years across anyway, we would die in a couple of millions' time. But people or scientists have been mistaken, and apparently it's 20,000 light years away, but we're not completely sure. So there is 14 facts about space that you probably didn't know, and I didn't either until I got some books. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Remember to comment below new subjects. If you like the space subject so much, I could do a part 2 in the future. So yeah, bye guys.